Did you know that there's a way to help search engines connect the dots between your business, your website, your social profiles, and more? No? Well, there is, and it's called structured data. You may have even heard of structured data referred to as schema. If you think about the term unstructured data, you might think of an email with a bunch of different data points spread throughout the copy, like a confirmation for a flight. If you think about structured data, you'll think about a standard format that makes it easy to understand the meaning of that data and be able to do something with it. So why is it a good practice to help search engines connect the dots? Well, back in the day, search engines relied solely on crawling your website and only the information that they could surface. And over the years, it's become way more complex with more data sources, and search engines have been able to get more value out of that crawled data with sophistication. But search engines like Microsoft and Google, they're using Schema today to provide even more rich user experiences. And by leveraging Schema, you can improve the experience for your customers and also even take up more surface area on search results, maybe even give yourself a ranking boost. So here's an example of a knowledge panel, and this is a look at Zoom video communications. And you can see all the different connections that Google made when discovering this business. Now, some of it is fed through Google My Business, others pulled through Wikipedia, and some are pulled based on Schema. So it's really great way to kind of illustrate how Schema can be used. In here, you'll see things like the founder, when the business was founded. You'll see information about the CEO. You'll see information about the profiles. These are the social profiles that are associated with this brand. So it helps Google kind of connect those dots. Now, like I said, some of this is coming from other data sources, but you can kind of nudge search engines in the way that you want and let them know about this information, and they can choose to do with what they can. If you go over to schema.org, you'll find some really fantastic examples of Schema and how you can add it to your website by navigating to the Schema tab. That's what I'm on here. And you can look at specific types of schema, like organization schema. So I'm going to click over there so you can see that. And then here you're going to see all the valid properties that are available for, organization schema. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see different examples of schema and the different types of encodings that are allowed. Schema encodings are microdata, RDF, and JSON LD. Most professionals today prefer JSON just because of how easy it is to read and just familiarity with it. So once you get here and once you get Schema set up, you can copy these examples, you can modify, add properties that make sense for you. But once you get your schema written and you add it to your website, it's as simple as adding JavaScript to your site. You'll add it in like a header or footer, wherever you prefer, but as long as it's on your page and it's valid, search engines will be able to discover it. And you want to validate that schema. You want to make sure that it's syntactically correct. So the way to do that is you can click validate here on the top bar, and you can put in your website, and you can click run test. And when you do that, this will go out and it will check the site, and it's going to check to see if the schema is valid. It's a great way to check and see what other companies are doing, what schema they're passing, maybe what your competitors are doing and things like that. But you'll see this is Zoom, and they pass organization and website schema. If you click organization, you're going to see all those different properties they passed. This is, people call them Zoom, but they have a legal name. They have a founding date here. They have a description, a URL, their logo, and then look, all these things here, same as. Zoom saying, hey, we're the same as our Facebook, our Twitter presence. We're letting you know that they're all related to this brand. They pass information about the founder here and things like that. So it kind of gives you a quick view of what's possible with schema. And at the top also you see that the schema was valid. There's no errors and things like that. And there's 2 items. So really, really cool stuff. I hope really that this quick walkthrough gave you some ideas, maybe sparked your curiosity about structured data and schema, how you can use it. If you have any questions at all, or if you give Schema a try on your website, drop me a message in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.